Okay, so this is Robert here at Tabor Airplanes. I'm going to make a old airplane of mine called the Owl. It's a aerobatic type of airplane. It glides really well, gets good airtime. My son has perfected it, so I'm gonna make his version. It's the best. It's a flat nose plane. So let's go ahead and start with the build. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have a regular sheet of paper. It's going in the I don't know the name of this. This is landscape, but we're not going landscapes. We're going in this type of form. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the sheet of paper. We're going to fold this almost about halfway down, right here. Try to get this as easy as possible. All right. So then after we have that, we're going to fold it over, perfect as we can get it. Okay. Open it back up. Now, get these. That's right. Some of you probably made this, or I don't know. But and we're going to take the nose here. I'm going to put it about right. I'm going to put it right here. Go ahead and get this straight. Okay, now we're going to fold this over. Try and get it straight as possible. Okay. We have that, as you can see. Okay, now we're going to take the wings. We're going to give it somewhat of an angle downwards. A little bit. Not crazy, but somewhat of an angle down. Like this. So you can see this. We need to do the same thing to the other side. Get even possible wings. Okay. We'll have that. Right. And then we're going to open it up. And there you have it, the Owl paper airplane. And it only took, what, about 2 minutes? 2 or 3 minutes to make, so it's not that bad. Not like one of my full-on paper airplanes, which takes hours, and that's just ridiculous for you guys. Okay, so that was one of the aircraft. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.